Today I'm going to be reviewing my new label printer, but first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and unbox it, show you what's inside the box, and then we're going to go ahead and test it out, and I will give you my full and honest review. What I like about this new label printer is that it's actually pretty compact. It's kind of lightweight. It's not very heavy, so it's super easy to place it inside a backpack. You could actually travel with it. On the sides here, you could see, you could go ahead and press on the sides. It's going to go ahead and allow you to open up the printer. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. This is just a little self-test that it had in there. You actually do preload the paper in here to go ahead and test it out. And one of the best features that I believe, in my opinion, is that you do not need ink. So there's no trouble running out of ink or anything like that. So this is a thermal printer. On the bottom, it does have these little grips right here, so it's not gonna go ahead and move around. You could gently place it anywhere that is a flat place. Let's go ahead and set it up. It does have the on and off back here. It has so you could go ahead and put the power cord and also this right here, so you can go ahead and connect it directly to your computer or your laptop. So go ahead and keep watching so we could go ahead and test out my new label printer.
Right, so here's a printer fully unboxed. It comes with a power cable, a USB cable, a stack of sample labels, and a USB drive to set up files, and a driver. Once it's plugged in, connect it using Bluetooth through the RT Elabel app or the USB option for desktop printing. As you can see here, I'm showing you how to use the app. It was actually pretty simple. You just scan the QR code that is included in the printer and then simply follow the steps. Super easy to set up. The printer automatically grabs and aligns the labels so no manual feeding is required. It works with standard 4x6 thermal labels and a variety of other sizes, so you can choose what fits your needs. There's no ink or toner to worry about, so just drop in the thermal labels and start printing. It's compatible with most major platforms like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and Shopify, so making it easy to print. Setup for both Windows and Mac is included right on the USB drive, along with helpful videos and instructions. It's compact and easy to use, perfect for small business, shipping, or day-to-day label needs. If you're looking for a label thermal printer, then definitely check this one out.